Hey guys, my name is Matt Garkusha. I've been playing bass in the church setting for about 15 years. And one thing I've noticed is that online, there are very few tutorials for bass players. There are tons and tons of tutorials for keyboard players, tons of tutorials for guitar players especially, but no love for the bassists. So I've decided to start a YouTube channel that specifically focuses on bass playing in a worship setting. I'd love to have a place where I could take all the things I learned over the past 15 years and help share them with the bass playing community. Again, especially in churches. I feel like bass and drums together are incredibly important, and they lay a really solid foundation for the rest of the band to build on. So I want to make sure that we can propagate all this information to as many people as we can. So if you like what you see here, go ahead and like, subscribe, share with all your other bass player buddies. So the first song we're going to cover is King of My Heart by Bethel Music, and man, this is one of my all-time favorite songs. So much fun to play, a couple of cool bass fills in there as well. Not all that complicated. There's only a few things to note. The first thing to note is that during the verses, we're going to be palm muting and just doing straight eighth notes. That's pretty important and gives everything kind of a percussive feel. The main big thing is in the bridge, when the big part drops, what they do is they turn on the Electro Harmonix bass microsynth. What that does is it gives everything this really big, beefy, crunchy sound. It also adds in, I think, a sub-octave, and it just sounds amazing, and it gives everything this really good bottom. I actually don't have one of those pedals. Join the club. A lot of people don't have a lot of pedals. So what we got to do is kind of make do with what we have. So what I do have here is a Morning Glory by JHS, and what I've done is I've turned the drive setting super high, and just make sure I have a really good beefy tone, but still get a good bit of crunch coming through it. And what you do is as soon as that big drop happens, you just turn on that drive and keep it on for the rest of the song. So I'll show you that in the tutorial coming up.
Chorus. Bridge. Build. Bridge. Continue to build. Chorus. All in.
guys so much for watching. If you liked it, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if there's anything you guys want to see, any particular songs or videos about tone, equipment, anything. Let me know and I'll do my best to cover it. Appreciate you guys.